Good morning, students. This is our second unit, electric potential and capacitance, and this is our second lecture. In our first lecture, we had discussed the two important terms: electric potential energy and electric potential difference. Now, our next topic is electric potential due to a point charge. So, for this, just remind the term electric potential. What is electric potential? The electric potential at a point in an electric field of some charge distribution is defined as the work done in bringing unit positive charge from infinity to a particular point. ओके कि किसी भी पॉइंट यूनिट पॉइंट चार्ज को इन्फिनिटी से एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट तक लाने में जो वर्क डन किया जाएगा इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सम चार्ज कॉन्फिगरेशन दैट विल बी द एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल. नाउ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू ए पॉइंट चार्ज. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सपोज दिस इज ए पॉइंट चार्ज Q. This is a point charge Q placed at a point O. Okay, and we have to find the electric field due to this charge configuration at a point P, which is at a distance r from this point charge O. Clear? Suppose for the electric potential we are bringing a unit test positive charge. So let's consider a test positive charge Q naught is bringing from infinity to this point P in the presence of this electric field of this point. इस point charge के electric field में हमें point charge यहां से इसको लेके आ रहे हैं. अब when this point charge, when this test charge is at is in the electric field of this point charge, so this will repel this test charge with a force that is F electrostatic. ये फोर्स को, ये फील्ड को, इस टेस्ट चार्ज को किस फोर्स से रिपेल करेगा? F इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स से रिपेल करेगा. एंड अगेंस्ट दिस फोर्स वी आर ब्रिंगिंग दिस पॉइंट चार्ज. इट मींस वी हैव टू अप्लाई सम एक्सटर्नल फोर्स ऑन दिस. हमें इस पर कुछ एक्सटर्नल फोर्स अप्लाई करना होगा. ओके, दिस इज द कंडीशन. दिस इज आवर पॉइंट चार्ज प्लस Q and there is another test charge Q naught at a point P. Distant r from this point charge. Clear? Now to calculate the electric potential we have to calculate the work done in bringing this charge from this point to this point. Okay, so for this let's start from the electric field. The electric field at point P due to charge Q. इस पॉइंट P पर इस चार्ज Q के कारण इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड क्या होगा? वेरी सिंपल. E इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट Q अपॉन R स्क्वायर एंड द डायरेक्शन विल बी अलोंग R कैप. नाउ द फोर्स on charge Q naught. Q naught पर फोर्स क्या होगा? F is equal to Q naught E. So and this force will be F electrostatic force. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught upon R square and R cap. Okay, so this is the electrostatic force acting on the test charge Q. Now for the electric potential, the moment of or the motion of this test charge should be such that its acceleration is 0. Okay, but during the motion of test charge, its acceleration should be 0. इसका एक्सेलरेशन क्या होना चाहिए? 0 होना चाहिए. और एक्सेलरेशन 0 कैसे होगा? फॉर दिस नेट एक्सटर्नल फोर्स ऑन द चार्ज शुड बी 0. जब नेट एक्सटर्नल फोर्स 0 होगा तभी जो आपकी सेकंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन है F इक्वल टू ma से क्या होगा? A इक्वल टू 0 है. ओके, तो फॉर दिस F नेट यानी नेट एक्सटर्नल फोर्स इस पर 0 होगा. अब आप इसमें देखिए इसमें कितने फोर्स एक्ट कर रहे हैं? 2 फोर्स, एक F इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक एंड F E एक्सटर्नल. Both these forces are in opposite direction. If these forces are equal in magnitude, then the net external force on the test charge will be 0. अगर इन दोनों पे लगने वाले फोर्सेस का मैग्नीट्यूड इक्वल हो जाए और अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में हो जाए तो क्या हो जाएगा? तो नेट फोर्स क्या हो जाएगा? इसमें 0 हो जाएगा. तो फॉर दिस F external should be equal to the negative of F electrostatic, and with this force the work will be done. Okay, now the work done in bringing this test charge from infinity to through a small displacement dr. Okay, so dw will be F dot dr. What will be F? It is F external. Okay, so F negative of minus electrostatic and dr. Okay, F d. Now work done in bringing this Q naught from infinity to point P. So W will be integration limit 0 to R F electrostatic or dr with a negative sign. Now put the value of electrostatic, that is this negative of, it is outside infinity to R 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q naught upon R square dr. All the terms will become out and integration will be infinity to R 1 by R square dr. Its integration will be minus 1 upon R infinity to R. So final result will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught upon R. This is the work done in bringing the test charge from infinity to that particular point P. Now the potential at point P. Electric potential at point P. V is equal to W upon Q naught. we divide the work done by the test charge, and the test charge is q naught. So by dividing, we will get this q naught will be eliminated from this expression, and this will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r. This is the electric potential due to a point charge at a point P. Okay, that's it. So this is the expression of electric potential at a point P. It is clear from this expression that the electric potential is inversely proportional to the distance from the point charge. यानी point charge के inversely proportional जो distance आएगी उसके inversely proportional. It means जैसे जैसे distance बढ़ेगी potential की value decrease होती जाएगी. If we plot a graph, अगर हम इन दोनों के बीच एक ग्राफ को प्लॉट करें तो क्या होगा? The graph will be like this. Means V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r. This will be the distance and this will be the potential. Okay, so this is the graph of this is the variation of electric potential with the distance. This is our next topic, electric potential due to a dipole. We already familiar with the term dipole. A dipole is a pair of charges which are equal in magnitude but opposite in polarity and separated by a finite distance. Okay, so suppose, and we have to find the electric potential at an axial point. So let's draw an electric dipole. Suppose this is an electric dipole. This is minus q, this is plus q, and separated by a finite distance 2l, and this is the center of the dipole. Okay, now we have to find the electric potential at an axial point. Axial point, this is the axis of the dipole. The line joining the two charges minus q2 plus q is known as the axis of the dipole. So let us consider there is a point P which is on the axis of the dipole, and we have to find, suppose this is at a distance of r from the center of the dipole. ये इसके सेंटर से r डिस्टेंस पर है और हमें इस डाइपोल की वजह से इस पॉइंट P पर इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल कैलकुलेट करना है. अब डायरेक्ट तो हमारे पास कोई फॉर्मूला है नहीं, बट रिसेंटली वी हैव डिस्कस्ड the electric potential due to a point charge, and in a dipole there are 2 point charges. Dipole में 2 point charges हैं, तो दोनों की वजह से इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल निकाल लेते हैं और इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल को क्या कर देंगे, हम इसमें सम कर देंगे without seeing any direction, because potential is a scalar quantity. So the electric potential at point P due to माइनस क्यू चार्ज. माइनस क्यू चार्ज के लिए सपोज दिस इज V1. So the expression of electric potential due to a point charge is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge upon distance. And what is the distance? This is r. This is L, so the distance will be L plus R, and the charge will be written with sign. Charge को हम sign के साथ लिखेंगे. Similarly, the electric potential at point P due to plus Q charge. Plus Q charge के लिए V2 will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r minus l. R minus L. Okay. Now the net potential. The net potential at point P. Okay. Since potential is a scalar quantity, so we can add this algebraically. हम इसको algebraically ऐड कर सकते हैं. So the net potential will be V is equal to V1 plus V2. So now put the values of V1 and V2. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus q upon r plus l plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r minus l. It is clear? Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught can be taken as common, so it will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. From here 1 upon r minus l and minus 1 upon r plus l. ना बचेगा इस ब्रैकेट में. On taking LCM, q upon 4 pi epsilon naught, this will be r minus l into r plus l. On solving this, here r plus l and here r minus l. On solving this, r plus l minus r plus l and upon this can be written as r square minus l square. Okay, this r is cancelled with this, so here what will left? 2l. So it will be q upon 4 pi epsilon naught and 2l upon r. What is this? Q into 2l. This is dipole moment. We have forget the dipole moment. P is equal to Q into 2l. So and this is not r. R square minus l square. So we can write P in place of Q into 2l. So this will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P upon r square minus l square. This is the net electric potential at point P due to this electric dipole. Okay. Now if point P is at very large distance, then very large distance, then क्या होगा? R will be much greater than L. R L से बहुत ज्यादा ग्रेटर होगा, तो उस कंडीशन में क्या होगा? L square नेग्लेक्ट हो जाएगा. So the expression will be P upon R square. अभी एक्सप्रेशन क्या हो जाएगा? P upon R square. Okay. So this is the electric potential due to dipole at an axial point. In a case of dipole, there is another point where we have to calculate the electric potential, that is equatorial current. This is the second part of this story. This is the second case, electric potential due to dipole at an equatorial current. Let's start with the dipole. Consider a dipole. A dipole consisting two charges minus q and plus q, separated by a finite distance 12 with the center O. We have to find the electric potential due to dipole at an equatorial point. What is equatorial current? Equatorial means a point situated on the perpendicular bisector. यानी perpendicular bisector जो इसके middle point से हो और इसके perpendicular हो, so that will be means this is the perpendicular bisector of the dipole. This distance is L. This is L. There is a point P at a distance R from the center of the dipole. इसके सेंटर से R डिस्टेंस पर एक पॉइंट P है. अब we have to find the electric potential at this point due to both these charges. We are already familiar with the formula electric potential due to a point charge. So Let's calculate the electric potential due to these two individual charges at point P. So point P पर दोनों की वजह से इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. Okay, if this L, this R, then this distance will be from Pythagoras theorem R square plus L square, and this will also be R square plus L square. Okay, and the dipole moment of this dipole is Q into 2L. So now just simply start with the electric potential at P due to minus Q charge. Now the electric potential at point P due to minus Q charge. Okay, V1 it will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q upon the distance is R square plus under root of R square plus L square. Okay, similarly the electric potential at point P due to plus Q charge, plus Q charge की वजह से, but it will be V2 will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon under root R square plus L. Okay, इसकी वजह से ये आ जाएगा, उसकी वजह से. नाउ द नेट पोटेंशियल at P, V will be V1 plus V2 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q upon under root R square plus L square and plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon under root R square plus L. As it is clear from these two terms that these two terms are equal in magnitude and opposite in sign. This is negative and this is positive. So these terms will cancel out with each other and the net potential at P is 0. P पर net potential क्या है? 0. It means at this point, at this perpendicular bisector, there is no potential along this equatorial plane. It means from the definition we have to do no work in moving the point charge on this plane. इस इक्वेटोरियल प्लेन पर हमें मूव करने के लिए कोई भी वर्क नहीं करना होगा. एंड दैट सरफेस, दिस सरफेस इज नोन एज इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस. इक्विपोटेंशियल जहां पे चारों तरफ पोटेंशियल क्या है? सेम. सो दिस इज अवर सेकंड केस, इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू डाइपोल एट एन इक्वेटोरियल